Hello everyone, you are welcome to our market outlook for this week, and this week is going to be a very funny week in the financial market, in sense that in the weekend, during the weekend on Saturday, we saw the Israel-Hamas war. You get it now?
We begin tonight with the Middle East in flames. Israel has formally declared war after that unprecedented multi-pronged terror attack from Hamas, shocking the nation, catching its intelligence service by surprise. The death toll is mounting, and at least 100 taken hostage. Several Americans are now confirmed to be among the dead.
And it's going to be a very big one, because dollar will kind of rally a bit, and also the precious metals too are going to rally, and that's how we are going to see a level of divergence between dollar and precious metal. And normally whenever we see a rally on dollar, we ought to see precious metal like gold tanking to the downside. But whenever there is a war, we get to see most people put their investment, they get more on the gold long. They get to long gold the more, and that's what we are seeing playing out, because the market closed on gold at around 1831, 1832 on Friday, and the opening of the market yesterday night, we got to see gold jump up to around 1855. Get it now? And that's over 200 pips to the upside. And that is what happens whenever there is a war. I remember sometimes last year too, during the Russia-Ukraine war, the same thing happened when we begin to see gold rallying. You get now the precious metals rallying. Whenever there's a war like that, we get to see the precious metal, they rally a lot. So that is what we are looking out to see more in the financial market this week, with the fact that this week is also, we are expecting PPI, and also we are expecting CPI from the US this week. So which we are going to see a rally of dollar, and at the same time, in the course of this war, we are still going to see a rally of gold. So what we are advising now is, whenever these two things are going on, especially during this Israel war, the best thing you need to see is a long of gold. That's what we are going to be seeing. And at the same time, all dollar pairs except gold now, all dollar pairs like GBP-USD, Euro-USD, we will see them tanking, and that is what we see happening. And that looks very weird, because this morning when dollar, or when the market opened, we saw a very clear tank on Euro-USD, on GBP-USD. You get point now? They all tanked down while dollar flew to the upside. You get point now? So that is the main thing we will be expecting much more this week. So we look out for that, to long the gold, and at the same time long in dollar, which implies that other USD pairs will definitely be tanking, and that is our markup for this week. That's what we are looking out for in the market this week. Make sure you trade with a very reasonable risk management, because this kind of trade, it doesn't concern, for example now gold particularly, in a season of war, gold doesn't respect overbought or oversold. It will just be going in that direction it has been, which is the buy direction. It peak now, it will just be going in that direction. So look out to a very reasonable levels to take your trade on gold, and also on other dollar pairs too. Look out to take your trade on them, shorting it because of the dollar strength. However, the dollar strength has nothing to do with the precious metal this time around, because what is driving the precious metal this time around is the war. You get now, whenever there is war, precious metal tends to have more volatility, and also they tends to increase in price, because people are selling whatsoever they have just to keep their money, not just to keep money in cash, but in gold. You get it now, in precious metal like gold. You get point now. So that is exactly what is going on in the market now. Thank you, cheers, and God bless. See you some other time.